Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope your week's gone splendid so far. So this video will be just a short one, maybe only a minute long. I suppose it's more of an appreciation video rather than anything else. As you guys know, I'm rebuilding my Rotary engine just now. Some of the parts have come back. Oh yes, so we are using power seals here. Just the street power seals. Also known as ALS or SCR or whatever it is, South Coast Rotary. Old school ways, it's just sort of power seals now, South Coast Rotary power seals. And yeah, so these are the street apex seals, and I just went for a full universal O-ring kit from them as well. I also went for side seals and, side seals and corner seals, so that'll be the full seal kit. But yeah, no, that's not the real reason for this video. The real reason for this video is it's basically a company down in England. I think he's based in Birmingham. The guy's name's Colum, and he has a company called Garage Reg, and he's been sort of keeping the Rotary scene alive for like years and years and years. He sort of teams up with Marco Del Toro. He does a bit of tuning, and your era Old Ones, is it Old Ones Racing? I think it is. They're sort of the wee sort of trio team, the dream team. Kind of keeps the Rotary scene alive in the UK anyway. And yeah, and that's where I sent my housings down. And if you guys remember in the last video, the housings were all scored and pretty fucked, so I've just got these back and I've unpackaged them, and I actually can't believe how good they are. This is them back here, and I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but these are like literally brand new. I can't get over how clean these things are. It's unbelievable. So they are ready to go straight back in. Oh, I've never seen any look as clean as that before. Loving it. So yeah, this isn't like a paid promotion or anything like that from Colum. He's not asked me to do this video. It's just, like I say, an appreciation video. And if some people ask where I got my housings resurfaced or refaced, it was Colum. So I'll try and put some, I think it's Garage Reg on Facebook. I'll put some links in this video so you'll be able to see them. And yeah, like I say, not paid for that, but that's a top class job. And I think it was £150 per housing. And I think they're around about £1,000 each brand new. So, you know, if you could save them, like, that's a massive saving if you're rebuilding engines. Anyway guys, hope you're doing well, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.